Yeah, LocaLEE, coming at you stiffly, county. This local living channel that you'll see, yeah. We got the sunshine in the city of palms. We're naming lights like Edison, and we got prop down beyond, yeah. You wanna live like me? Shout out to LocaLEE.
Welcome to LocaLEE.
I'm your host, Jude Paul, and I'm so excited. Guys, you see I'm a dad of two. This is my niece, Iviana, that's from Tallahassee. It's gonna be an interesting episode. We're at TAMU Cupcakery here in Cape Coral, where we're looking for something sweet to eat. All right, let's go, let's check it. Oh, okay. Let's go, let's check it out. Let's go.
Good morning. Welcome to TAMU Cupcakery.
Good
Hi.
morning. Hi, I'm Jude, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Jude. I'm Monica.
Monica, nice to meet
Yes.
you as well. So I brought my kids with me. Try to check
Awesome.
out what you guys have here.
Well, I started about 7 years ago, and I started at first in a commercial kitchen. I did the farmer's market out here in Cape Coral. So I eventually wanted to get a food truck, but that didn't pan out, and I ended up stumbling across this here.
Okay.
So
how long have you been? Is it 3 years in this building?
it'll
now,
be
or?
3 years come August.
Okay, because I'm not gonna lie. So what I saw before was I saw you guys on the news press, right? And I see you have the article here. So what was your career before? Like, what did you do before coming into
So
baking?
before baking, I was in corrections. I started out in Lowell for Department of Corrections, then I ended up transferring over to the jail, Hernando County, and then I came down here and was working for the prison.
You said Hernando County?
Hernando County Jail.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. So it's now a prison.
Got it.
Yeah. But
How did you learn making cupcakes?
Great
well,
question.
when my kids were young, they had a bake sale at the preschool they attended, and so I was in charge of the bake sale. But I did not know how to make cakes, not fresh homemade cakes. So I did box cakes, and once I moved to Florida, because we're originally from New York.
Oh, I hear that a little bit. I didn't want to say anything. I heard it.
But once I moved to Florida, it was, it was a little different than New York, so I had more time on my hand, and I learned how to actually bake. And I used to bring the desserts with me to work at the prison. My coworkers would try it out, and they started convincing me to go ahead and get a shop.
As a baker, how do you stop yourself from indulging yourself?
Well,
overeating on these sweets?
I'm not big on certain sweets. So the sweets that I actually love are not the ones that I always make.
So you make custom sweet orders too? So if I wanted banana pudding, so my banana pudding, or not banana pudding, excuse me, my peach cobbler, I love it with more crust.
Me too.
You too? I can't say the right
If it
place.
does not have the crust in it, I'd rather have more crust than more peaches.
Me too.
Yeah, I like the sauce and the
So
crust.
could I make custom orders like that?
Of course.
Really?
Of course.
Girl, I'm telling you, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Really get something for next week. All right, come on, show us around. Let's see what you guys have today.
So here we have we have our tres leches cakes. We have the chocolate tres leche and a regular tres leche.
Wait, you have Buddy here.
Yes, so we have a few contracts. We have a contract with Buddy V. We do their cake slices. So we're like a ghost kitchen for them.
Okay, so this is interesting, right? So we gotta stick to this because it's super interesting because a lot of people don't know that there's other avenues to make money as well. If you can if you don't mind, you don't have to go into detail, but tell us as an entrepreneur, how you got involved with Buddy's Cake and how it looks like as an entrepreneur that you can make ancillary products and still make money too.
Typically with these type of contracts, they find you. Like all of the contracts that I have, they actually contacted me and asked me if I would, produce their stuff. But with Buddy V, it's super easy because I don't have to bake anything. I don't have to package anything. All of their stuff comes already to go. So they just give me an app. People order through their website. They don't order through me. And the orders come through, and then I just put it in a Buddy V bag and someone picks it up. So the cakes that I do for fruit bouquets, sherry berries, they're my recipe. So if you do a sherry berry cake and you get it from TAMU Cupcakery, it's gonna have my recipe. If you go to another bakery and you do a sherry berry cake, it's gonna have their recipe. So we all make it different, but we have the same design. So the picture on the outside looks the same.
The picture on the outside looks the same, but the flavoring is completely
It's,
different.
right, it's specific to that bakery that made it.
Okay, all right. So
Yeah.
these are all of your products, right?
So those are my products, yes.
Okay.
So, Miss Monica, tell us about your clothing.
The clothing is Spiff Made It, and that's my daughter, Jade. So she has her own clothing line. And so basically I let her do her clothing in here as well. And she, you know, she has a website, and then she hopefully will expand, and then we'll have two.
Shout
I'm trying to make a family
We'll post it.
business like her here, where, you know,
She wants my job though.
She wants
You're
your
right.
job.
This is the second week in a row somebody's trying to.
She was asking about your clothing.
Yeah, if you can tell us about the clothes, I think that's super cool.
Yeah, so it's called Spiff Made It.
Spiff Made It?
Yeah,
Okay.
I go by Spiff.
Okay,
My
cool.
real name is Jade though. Basically, when I started, it was because I felt like clothes are expensive and it shouldn't have to be. If you actually go like behind the scenes and everything, people get stuff for really cheap and they market it so much more.
Yeah,
So you are basically getting, me and like Dior can get the same product, but theirs is $500. Mine would be $50 or something like that.
Yeah.
I just feel like you shouldn't have to spend so much to look good. So that's
I
the whole
agree.
thing.
I'm with you. I'm
It's
with
affordable pricing and it's good quality, and basically I do everything from the designing to stitching to sewing.
So you sew and all that.
Yeah, I used to do everything handmade. I just started doing reaching out to manufacturers, so they'll basically do the add-ons to it. So
Got
any
it.
type of extra design into it, that'll be mine. So
I love it, man. Fort Myers, Lee County is full of talent, right? This is awesome. So, all right, we're ready to try some of these sweets.
Okay.
Whoa, this is the money shot right here. It's a good thing I got the kids with me. Hype them up on sugar early, crash
So they
later.
can crash later.
That's what I want. All right, so can you tell us what we have
Yes.
here?
So we have a strawberry crunch cake pop. We have
That's mine.
chocolate covered strawberries. We have s'mores cupcake, sea salt caramel chocolate, German chocolate chip cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie, M&M cookie, yellow cake, a cannoli, cookies and cream, strawberry banana. This one is lemon. We have birthday, strawberry shortcake, carrot cake, banana pudding, and red velvet.
Okay, so I'm gonna save this and this for my wife. This is mine. All right, what you guys want? Here, look at this. This is what is it?
strawberry crunch.
It's probably gonna get in my beard. Don't judge me. All right. But we're about to see what this thing's about. Oh my God. I wish I didn't bite it so you can try it.
Would you like to
This
try
is
one?
amazing. Tim, let me hold the camera.
That's what he said.
No, it's gonna definitely get in his beard. That's my brother. That's why I had
cannoli.
to try. Oh, he got the cannoli.
I am a cannoli guy. Oh, is that okay?
Oh yeah. And it's in the beard. Oh my gosh, Tim.